Hi, I'm Lindsay from Lumino Health, and today I'm going to show you 6 stretches recommended by Dr. Christine Lyons, a chiropractor in Toronto. These are great for the stiffness that many of us feel from sitting all day, especially if you're working from home and your setup isn't ergonomic. You can do them in your chair, wherever you happen to be working, in whatever you're wearing. So I'm here in my apartment, and I'm going to walk you through them.
Neck rolls. Sit up straight at your desk and tilt your chin towards your chest. Gently roll your neck in a half circle from right to left, or vice versa. If you have neck pain, work within your pain-free range of motion. Repeat 5 to 10 times. Shoulder rolls into chest opener. Draw your shoulder blades down and roll the shoulders backwards. Bring your hands behind your back and your palms together. Hold for 5 to 10 seconds. Calf raises. Sit in your chair in a comfortable position. With your feet flat on the ground, raise your heels off the ground while keeping your toes on the ground. You can do each leg individually or together. Repeat 5 to 10 times. Hamstring stretch. Sitting in your chair, bring one leg out in front with a slight bend in the knee. Keeping your back straight, bend forward until you feel a stretch in the back of your leg. Hold for 10 seconds. Repeat 3 to 5 times per leg. Knee to chest. Sit in your chair with your back supported by the back of the chair and bend your knee. Lift your right leg up and grab it with your arms. Pull it in as close to your chest as you can. Hold for 10 seconds. Repeat on your left side. Then repeat 5 times per side. Figure 4. Sit in your chair with your knees bent around 90 degrees. Cross one leg over the other so it looks like the number 4. Keeping your back straight, bend forward until you feel a stretch in your buttocks area. Hold for 10 seconds. Repeat 3 to 5 times per leg.